the famous suction cup. You'd rather play with it than the other part of the toy, which is a butterfly that rattles and the wings turn. And get away from those DVDs, mister. Come here. Stop whining or you're going to bed. You can't whine every time you don't get your way. Bite the bear's head off. Bite his head off. Come here, Dylan. Dylan, come here. Ooh, somebody's going to bed. Who you say? Dylan. One more time around. He sometimes gets like this when I limit his boundaries. He doesn't like to be limited. Hey. Don't get mad, get glad. Where's your binky? Did you lose it somewhere? You're not going anywhere. You're going to bed, that's for sure. Say goodnight.